Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.
With this breaking news alert.
That breaking news, a double murder-suicide in Murfreesboro.
Yeah, police were called to Cason Lane to try to locate a man wanted in northern Alabama. They found 3 people dead inside a home.
Our Courtney Allen is at the scene and has the latest on this investigation. Courtney.
Marius, Lauren, while police say this is an isolated incident, it is still alarming and very upsetting for many who live in that neighborhood.
I've never seen this kind of thing going on.
A double murder-suicide just steps away from where Wendell Claxton lives.
I'm surprised because this is a quiet neighborhood.
His neighborhood was full of police cars Thursday morning after police say 46-year-old Jamie Lepore, a man wanted out of Alabama, shot and killed his 2 children, ages 9 and 11, then turned the gun on himself.
Well, I come up the street and I saw they had it blocked off up there, and they were directing traffic away from here.
MPD says Lepore is part of an ongoing homicide investigation in Madison County, Alabama. The Madison County Sheriff's Office says deputies responded to a welfare check there Wednesday night and found Lepore's wife dead. Investigators learned her husband and 2 kids hadn't been seen recently and thought they may be in Murfreesboro. On behalf of the Madison County Sheriff's Office, Murfreesboro police went to the home on Cason Lane Thursday morning to find Lepore. When officers arrived, they started talking outside to the 2 people who live there.
And while they were talking with the tenants, they heard several gunshots inside of the home.
MPD says officers went inside and found Lepore and his 2 children dead upstairs.
Anytime there's a death in the city of Murfreesboro, we all grieve.
WSMV4 is working to find out how long the 3 had been staying at the home and what their relationship was to the people who live there.
You can't be too surprised at anything today.
We are still working to learn Lepore's wife's exact cause of death and how long she had been dead before deputies found her. We'll have more on her tonight at 6. Marius, Lauren.
Courtney, such a tragic story. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.